Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Error handling and diagnostics in Siemens PLCs, programmable logic controllers, are essential for ensuring the reliability and efficiency of automation systems. Siemens PLCs, particularly those in the S7 series, have built-in mechanisms to detect and respond to errors. This tutorial will cover the basics of error handling and diagnostics, including practical code examples. ###1. Understanding error types. Siemens PLCs can encounter various types of errors, including hardware errors, issues related to the physical components, such as I/O modules or communication failures. Software errors, problems within the program logic, such as division by zero or invalid data types. Communication errors, failures in communication between devices, such as timeouts or lost connections. ###2. Error handling mechanisms. Siemens PLCs provide several mechanisms for error handling. System diagnostics, automatic detection and reporting of hardware and communication errors. User-defined error handling, custom logic that can be implemented to manage specific errors according to application requirements. ###3. Using diagnostic functions. Siemens provides various diagnostic functions that can be used within the TIA Portal programming environment. A few common functions include error, used to retrieve error codes from specific operations. Diagram, used to get diagnostic information about hardware components. Get_sys_stat, retrieves the system status, which can include error codes. ###4. Example code snippet. Below is a simple example demonstrating error handling in a Siemens S7 PLC using structured text, ST, programming language. Pascal. Program main. var. Status, int, / variable to store status. Error code, int, / variable to store error code. Error message, string, / variable to store error message. And _var. / initializing the PLC. Status equals init PLC. / check for errors during initialization. If status 0, then error code equals status, / store the error code. Error message equals initialization failed with error code, plus int _to _string, error code. / log the error message, for example, send to HMI or log file. Log error, error message. And _if. / main loop. While true do. / main process. Status equals processed data. / check for errors during processing. If status 0, then error code equals status, / store the error code. Error message equals data processing failed with error code, plus int _to _string, error code. / log the error message. Log error, error message. And _if. / delay for next cycle. Delay, 100, / delay in milliseconds. And _while. / function to log errors. Function log error, void. var _input. Message, string, / error message to log. And _var _input. Begin. / implementation for logging, example send to HMI or log file. / this could involve writing to an array or sending to a communication protocol. And _function. / dummy function for initializing PLC. Function init PLC, int. Begin. / simulate initialization process. Return 0, / return 0 for success, or a non-zero error code for failure. End underscore function. / dummy function for processing data. Function processed data, int. Begin. / simulate data processing logic. Return 0, / return 0 for success, or a non-zero error code for failure. End underscore function. ### 5. Implementing error handling. In the example above, we have defined a simple error handling mechanism. The PLC is initialized and any errors are logged. A continuous loop processes data, checking for errors and logging them as needed. A separate function, log error, is created to handle logging messages, which could be implemented to send messages to an HMI or store them in a log file. ### 6. Utilizing system diagnostics. In addition to user-defined error handling, it's essential to leverage the built-in diagnostics capabilities of the Siemens PLC. Use the TIA portal to monitor the status and diagnostics of the PLC and connected devices. Enable and configure diagnostic messages in the PLC settings to ensure that errors are communicated to operators or maintenance personnel. ### Conclusion. Error handling and diagnostics are crucial for maintaining the reliability of Siemens PLCs in industrial applications. By implementing structured error handling and utilizing the built-in diagnostic capabilities, you can effectively manage errors and ensure smooth operation of your automation systems. Always refer to the Siemens documentation for specific functions and capabilities related to your particular PLC model.